Your 2024 Volkswagen comes with Iq.Drive, our smart driver's assistance technology meant to enhance your driving experience. Lane Assist uses a camera to help keep you in your lane and provides gentle steering interventions or nudges to help reduce the risk of unintentional drifting. In situations where clear lane lines can't be detected, such as driving in construction zones, driving on a narrow curve, or if driving in poor weather conditions, Lane Assist may not work. It also is important to note that Lane Assist works when the feature has been enabled and when driving above speeds of approximately 35 or 40 miles per hour, depending on your model. Be sure to use your turn signal and check your blind spots before safely making a lane change. Use your turn signal when you intend to switch lanes, so Lane Assist does not intervene. Active Blind Spot Monitor uses radar sensors to help detect moving vehicles hiding in your blind spot. This system, when enabled, provides you with visual alerts to help you make safer lane changes. If you attempt to change lanes while a vehicle is in the monitored zones, Active Blind Spot Monitor will alert you and, when possible, counter-steer you to help you avoid trouble. A few things to keep in mind. This system works at speeds of approximately 35 or 40 miles per hour, depending on your model. The scanned area around the vehicle is limited in distance, and it may not work in poor weather conditions. And remember, always check your blind spots manually before changing lanes. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, uses a radar sensor to maintain a set speed while adjusting the distance from the vehicle in front of you. ACC reduces the need for constant manual speed adjustments during long drives, promoting a smoother and more relaxed journey. If needed, it may even brake your vehicle and, in some conditions, bring it to a complete standstill. Please review your vehicle's owner's manual for full limitations and conditions for emergency braking. ACC is designed to detect vehicles moving in the same direction of travel and will react to objects within the sensor's line of sight. System can be activated between a minimum of approximately 15 or 20 miles per hour, depending on your model, and a maximum of 95 or 130 miles per hour, depending on your model. System disablement and unwanted braking could occur if there is damage or misalignment of the sensor or sensor mounting. Heavy cargo and/or heavy trailers may change the sensor angles by elevating the front of the vehicle. In situations where these sensors are misaligned or are blocked by things like ice, snow buildup, dirt, mud, or leaves, or in driving situations where there is a curvature in the road, unwanted braking could occur and/or the system may not function. Your VW uses radar and/or camera technology to help monitor the distance from the vehicle ahead. Front Assist can provide collision warnings and even apply emergency braking if needed to help avoid potential accidents. Front Assist works by detecting vehicles ahead that are stationary or moving in the same direction, and it only works at certain speeds, which varies by model. See your owner's manual for details. It's important to know that all models can detect pedestrians. However, not all models can detect cyclists. This system also isn't meant to detect collisions associated with oncoming traffic or if another vehicle cuts in front of you. Be sure to stay attentive and have control of the vehicle at all times. Travel Assist uses Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, and center guidance to help keep you centered in your lane and maintain a preset distance from the vehicle ahead. This can be especially helpful when driving on long highway trips. When using Travel Assist, make sure to keep both hands on the steering wheel and remember that the system is designed to detect vehicles moving in the same direction and reacts to objects within the sensor's line of sight. It does not react to oncoming or intersecting vehicles. The system must be able to detect clear lane markings and can be used when traveling at speeds between approximately 15 to 20 miles per hour up to approximately 95 or 130 miles per hour, depending on your model. Braking force is limited, so in the event additional braking is needed, Front Assist may intervene with an automatic braking maneuver. Because there are radar sensors and cameras that are used to help make the Iq.Drive features work, it means there are some limitations and situations where these features may not work. If the sensors or sensor mounts become misaligned or are damaged, or if they're blocked by things like ice, snow buildup, dirt, mud, or leaves, the system may not work or unwanted braking could occur. Even heavy cargo and/or heavy trailers could change the sensor angles by elevating the front of the vehicle and cause system disablement. It's also important to know that in certain situations, the system may not be able to keep the vehicle in the lane, such as poor weather conditions or if there's unclear lane markings on the road. Rear traffic alert is designed to assist you when reversing out of parking spaces. Sensors detect approaching cars and motorcycles and will alert you to potential collisions, giving you added peace of mind. If there's an obstacle in your way when reversing out of a parking spot or driveway, Rear Traffic Alert will let you know and even apply the brakes to help you avoid a collision. When Rear Traffic Alert is switched to active, the system will automatically engage when driving in reverse and driving at speeds of approximately 1 to 6 miles per hour. Some situations may lead to unwanted braking, so it's important to understand what these are. Steep driveways or ramps, damage to sensors caused by collision or accident, dirt, water, ice or snow, foreign bodies or adhesive vinyl on or near the sensors, noise disturbances, and other active ultrasound sources in the vicinity. Emergency Assist helps support you by monitoring steering wheel activity and delivering a series of alerts if it detects your hands are not on the steering wheel, actively operating the vehicle. If you don't respond to these alerts, Emergency Assist works to help keep the vehicle in its lane and bring it to a controlled stop. Make sure Emergency Assist and Lane Assist is active. And keep in mind that things like damage to, misalignment of, or blockage of the sensor and towing heavy trailers or carrying heavy cargo in the rear of the vehicle, which can elevate the front of the vehicle, may disable the system. And the lane centering support may not occur if Lane Assist is not active, and in situations where there are poor driving conditions, unclear lane markings, or if you're driving on a narrow curve. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain in control of the vehicle. While the Iq.Drive technologies are available to enhance your driving experience, you, as the driver, are responsible for the safe operation of the vehicle. Keep in mind, Iq.Drive is designed to assist you, not replace your role as the driver. For more detailed information, please see your vehicle's owner's manual.